So for today's lunch, Francisco wanted to try this place. It's called Chick and Bros, and it's kind of like a pop-up thing, right? Like a pop-up food truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just go random places, and they were just happened to be down the street from where we live. And they're supposed to be what, Nashville, or is that what the point is of their, or just chicken sandwiches?
There's chicken sandwiches, but they have one that's in Nashville.
Oh, okay. So they're just chicken sandwiches, and they have like different levels and different spiciness. So this is the one I got here. It's kind of ginormous. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. So hopefully that tastes good. And then it came with curly fries, and this one's Francisco's over here. So that's what we're going to be having for lunch. Also, hello and welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday. I'm home, obviously. And I did just a really light makeup. It's lunchtime already. I cleaned around the apartment a little bit. I did a little bit of exercise. And then today I have an appointment at the dentist because I think I have a cavity here. So we'll see what they say. But that's why I wanted to also have a heavier lunch, because I probably won't be able to eat later dinner, because I'll probably be half numb because it's at 4. So yeah.
Why does it look like it's sweet? It's weird. Okay, go.
Hamburguesa. Pero chiquita, sí.
No, son sándwiches de carnita. Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. And I'm on my way to visit my friend Joanna. It is 1:30 p.m. We just had some smoothies at home, and I'm just gonna go. I think we're just gonna hang out. I think she wanted me to do her hair, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get around to doing that. Alright, so for today's dinner, we're having HelloFresh, and this is the firecracker meatballs with roasted carrots and sesame rice. That's what it looks like. I'll show you guys my plate. But for me, instead of making it with the white rice, I made it with cauliflower rice. Yes, can I help you? And this is what mine looks like right here. With the cauliflower rice. I haven't put the sauce there yet because I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Ooh, that looks pretty. Where'd you do that?
Right here.
With the natural lighting?
Yeah.
So now that's what we're gonna have. So for today's lunch, Francisco wanted to try this place. It's called Chick and Bros, and it's kind of like a pop-up thing, right? Like a pop-up food truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just go random places, and they were just happened to be down the street from where we live. And they're supposed to be what, Nashville, or is that what the point is of their, or just chicken sandwiches?
There's chicken sandwiches, but they have one that's in Nashville.
Alright, so the first thing I got was this Ezekiel 7-grain sprouted bread. We've been really enjoying this bread. Actually, I think it's called Food for Life bread. But we've been really enjoying this bread. It tastes really yummy, but it does have grains. So I wanted to try one without grains. Or, yeah, with no grain. So this is a 7-nut and seed bread, and it's grain-free, gluten-free, preservative-free, dairy-free. So it's supposed to be keto and paleo. Let me show you guys the ingredients. Where are they? There are the ingredients. So it's a very high in fiber what's it called, bread. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast in a little bit and try it and see how it tastes. And I ordered this with just the organic fire roasted corn. I was really interested in this. I really like corn, and I think by them being fire roasted, they might give it a little extra taste. So I'm gonna be trying that. Also, I imagine this like the Mexican way with like Parmesan cheese and mayo and all that. I think that's gonna be good. Then got some Whole Foods brand. Oh, this is the Whole Foods brand as well. This is the organic 3 blend bell pepper. And I really like this because it's already cut and ready to go. And ready to cook, because a lot of time I buy bell peppers and it ends up going bad because I don't cook it fast enough. They last pretty long in the fridge, but I don't use it very often. But this would be great for when I do want it. I have it ready to go, so I'm probably gonna end up buying a second one eventually, or maybe just buy as I go. I don't know. And then I got some of the same Whole Foods brand organic wild blueberries. Alright, so for today's dinner, I made some meat sauce with those noodles from Amazon. I ended up not making lasagna because it's too hot to use the oven. And then I'm having some salad with some of this Chosen Foods dressing. This is the lemon garlic one. I haven't tried it yet, so hopefully it's good. And then I sprinkled it with parsley and some pecorino romano. We decided to have a sandwich today for lunch. We've been having smoothies every day for what, the past 3 weeks? No?
Just about,
Yeah, 3 weeks. So for today, we decided to do a sandwich instead. And this is actually like a really healthy sandwich. And I'm very proud of us for having this in our fridge. Looks really dirty because of all the crumbs. But so pretty much what it is, this is the bread from Whole Foods that I bought. The gluten-free, grain-free. So it's just cassava flour and a bunch of other nuts. And then this is the Costco turkey, which is grass-fed, I believe, humanely raised, something. But it's supposed to be like one of the best for the value and just quality in general. Then we have some butter lettuce, some tomatoes, avocado, and a little bit of mayonnaise on the very bottom. But everything is so clean in it. And then we're going to have some chips. These are the avocado oil potato chips from Thrive Market. Again, very clean. And then for the juice, we're going to have the Evolution Fresh from Whole Foods. So, yeah, looking good, looking good.
Babe.
Yep. You gonna tell everyone what we got?
Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
So we ended up coming to Shake Shack. We ended up getting a Golden State Double, which I'm not sure what it has, and then a Smokehouse, I believe is what it's called. So this one's a Golden State. That's pretty damn good.
Okay.
And then this is a Smokehouse. That looks pretty good as well.
Oh wow, that does look good.
There's a lot of color on that one.
Hello everyone, we just got home from Ikea and it was what I would call a successful trip. Francisco on the hand, he would disagree because he hates it. But I think it was very successful because I found very useful things. And I wanted to show you guys what they were. We ended up having Shake Shack for, what is it, dinner?
Yeah,
Late
I
lunch.
think it'd probably be dinner now.
Yeah, because it's already almost...
5:30.
Yeah, it's like 5:30. And... let me sit over here. So we ended up having Shake Shack for, I guess, dinner, Francisco said. And it was okay. What did you think?
It's pretty good, but I wouldn't want to go again. For being just a regular burger with bacon, I think it was like almost $12.
Yeah.
It's just way too overpriced for what it is.
Yeah.
You could get probably the 4x4 from In-N-Out for that price. It's not gonna come with bacon, but
So you're saying that In-N-Out would have been better?
better deal. I don't know about taste. I don't like In-N-Out that much as you guys do.
Whatever. And then now we're home and we're unpacking all the stuff we got from Ikea. I'm gonna show you guys what we got, but one of the things I got was a fail because I forgot that our duvet is a king size and Francisco didn't remind me because he was being a little poop and didn't want to be there, so he did not remind me.
You never even brought that question up to me.
You were there when I was
That
buying
is a
it.
false accusation.
Whatever. He knew what size our... Hey, are you drinking my lemonade?
Yep.
He knew what size our duvet was, and he didn't remind me. So I ended up buying a king size because our bed is technically a queen, but our duvet is a king because we wanted it to drape over the sides. Anyways, I bought the wrong pillow, so now it doesn't work, and I don't need 2 extra pillows. So the first 2 things I got, I should iron these. I wonder if you can. Are these pillow cases. I need to buy a new pillow or couch cover, so just ignore the couch. But we ended up buying these 2 pillow covers that we put over the red ones we had before. I really hated those red ones, but I mean, they did the job. I wanted to buy new pillows to put inside of them, but I figure for now these will work. Now this couch doesn't have anything. But this one, we ended up just putting out 4 of them. But I feel like it needs another dark one. So I might end up buying like a smaller black one to put in the front maybe. Like one that's like this size maybe or something like that. I'm not sure. But what do you guys think? I think because our furniture, it's all darker. Well, it looks really messy over there. Why? Hello, sir. Because our furniture is darker, I feel like the couch needs something. I just don't know what it is. Also, I think I'm gonna buy a new cover because I'm really getting tired of this one. It's really dirty. I don't know why I bought a light color. I thought it was gonna be a good idea, but we're clearly not clean enough to have this. Anyways, so those are the covers. I think they're really pretty. I like the designs. This one's like a suede kind of thing, so it's like a soft material, and this one's just regular cotton fabric. So this one's white with black, and this one's, as you guys can see the difference, it's like a beige color. And then my sister bought herself this cute little thing. Don't pay attention to her messy room. I'll just put it from this angle. Look how cute. Aw, I like that. That looks really pretty.
Right?
Alright, so I'm sitting on the floor and I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I bought. The rest of the things I bought. So, I bought 4 of these little, what are these, like box trays, containers. So, they were a smaller size. I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet. This is what they look like. So, as you guys can see, they're a bit smaller. And it has a little thing in the front. I thought they would be stackable, but they're not really stackable. So, we ended up using one because I bought 4 for the kitties' food, because we need to be able to reach in. I feel like this would be easier. And then the rest, I was hoping to use it in the fridge, but I'm not sure. So that's on standby, but they were on sale. Their, I think regular price was $5, and they were on sale for $2.99, right?
$5.99.
$5.99. Then I bought 2 of these here. I love the size, so this is the size there, but they're for, I guess, obviously for food. But so the top comes off like so, and it has like an airtight little rubber on the inside, so you press it back down, and then it has a little opening. So I figured this might be good for like granola or something of that sort. Not chips, because obviously you're not gonna be able to pour them out, but maybe like granola. So I think these 2, I might end up using it for that. Oh no, there's a scratch on it. Then I bought the same in a bigger size, and I think these, we're going to use them for cereal. Francisco said that they're not big enough for cereal. I think that they're going to work just fine for cereal, but we'll have to check and see. But these are also the same. They have like an airtight thingy on the top, and then the little opening right here. So I think that's going to be perfect for like pouring out cereal. Then Francisco bought these cookies. These are the Cafe Rep. Memorable moments with laughter and cookies. These ones, which my sister says that they're really good. What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, you bought. What are these? Chocolate. They're just chocolate. Butter, toffee, and vanilla. Ooh.
I want to try it.
These things here. Vanilla. Oh. She looks like she just gave up on life. Hey. Did you give up on life? Hey. Nala. Oh. Hello. Okay, then I bought these here. These are the, I'm not going to say any of the names because these things sound so weird. I don't know how you even mention them. Corken jars. These, I think they're gonna, I have something in mind to use them for. And I hope they work. Hope they're not too small, but they might be. We'll see. Oh yeah, they might be too small. Oh, they're so tiny. Might be too tiny. Alright, so look how small these are. They're so tiny. They have the little clasp here. And then the little rubber. And then also bought these. So I bought 3. Bought 3 of them. So there's 4 per pack. And this is what they look like. So they're just jars. There's nothing really special to them. It looks like they're airtight, hopefully. But the top is just plastic, so it's not like super good quality. But I feel like this will be good for my spices, so we'll see. And it looks like you can put them sideways too, so that's kind of cool. Like that, or like this. Interesting. And then, what else did I buy? Bought this here. This is a cutting board. And this is the lamp leg. I'm saying that terribly wrong. But I wanted a bigger cutting board, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money because I just didn't want to. And I remember that Ikea had some, so I just figured I would wait and see what they look like. And I like that it has like the little grooves on the edge, so if there's like liquid falling down or something like that, this will catch it. But I think this is going to be really nice for prepping food, because while I'm chopping over here, I can be putting the rest in like the edges. So this is going to be nice, because the one I have is really small, and I think it's about the same quality. I'm sure I paid like, who knows, very little, but this was $20, so that was a great purchase. And I think that's it, right? There, over there. This is so cool.
Today, we glorify your name today. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Receive our praise.